This is the second episode on our property management, self-management video series. Today we're going to discuss developing a business plan as well as legal structure. To start off, I'm just giving you an overarching theme, which is narrow your focus and be simplistic, not complex. Both these themes are going to help you vastly within property management and self-management. I think they help you within life. So let's talk about developing your business plan. First of all, you're going to want to be specific. There is several different property types. Those property types are anything from residential, commercial, industrial, self-storage. Sometimes there's mixed use. Sometimes there's subsections underneath those, like under residential, it can be single family, multifamily. But for those main specific property types, you're going to want to select one. Just one. Each one of those property types has a little bit of different nuances. The leases might be a little bit different. The way you negotiate with tenants might be a little bit different. You're just going to want to focus on one. And that's going to help you succeed faster and develop your systems and processes more efficiently. When choosing a specific property type, I want you to think of the quote, "Jack of all trades and master of none." We want you to be a master at your craft and property management and self-managing, and you can do that best when you are totally focused on one property type. Next, we want you to determine what is the location that you're going to be operating your property management company in. Ideally, I recommend being an hour and a half, no further from where you live, where you work. This is going to provide several benefits right off the bat. If you're new to property management or self-management, it's going to allow you to develop quicker, better relationships with vendors, provide quality assurance where you can check up on things. And it's just going to allow you to be a little bit more hands-on in the business if you need to be. This allows you to learn quicker and develop your systems and processes quicker. Next, you're going to want to assess properties in that location, analyze them to make sure they cash flow. Normally, we're going to recommend that you choose properties that cash flow. We're in business to make money. We want you to make money on day one. We don't want you to worry about appreciation or speculation. And by having properties that cash flow, it's going to provide much more optionality of how you operate that business and options that you can do with refinancing, selling, and how you operate your business. Next, let's chat about legal structure. We are not an attorney, nor do we pretend to be, and we do recommend you consult your attorney on legal structure, but we'll give you what's worked for us and what we recommend. So what is legal structure and how does it help you? Legal structure is how you structure a company to limit risk. It helps protect your business from liability, in essence, getting sued. There's a couple different legal structures that are widely known, mainly LLC, which stands for Limited Liability Company. There is an S Corp, a C Corp. Again, you're going to want to consult an attorney to see what fits best for you. We recommend starting off with the basic one, which is a LLC. You can then transfer into a S Corp or a C Corp later on if your company grows into that. Next, you're going to have to consult your state government, whichever state you're creating a company in, to see if somebody else already owns the business that you're looking to create. How you do that is you're going to go online. I'll pop a form up here. You're going to need to have a name in mind for your company to see if somebody else owns it and see if it's available. And then you go through the state that you want to incorporate and you purchase the rights to that name. Next, there's licensing. Licensing varies from state to state. Some states require you to have a real estate license to operate in property management and to do renting and leasing activities. Others don't. Again, consult your attorney, consult your local and state laws to understand what your licensing requirements are there. Lastly, to tie both the business plan and the legal structure together, there's a great book called Traction by Gino Wickman. In essence, this is going to help you focus, work on scalability, work on how you operate and become more happy in a business. We utilize what's called the EOS system in our property management, self-management. We recommend you do as well. Some of the concepts in the book help you identify for your business your core values and your core focus. For example, the core focus of our property management company is safe, affordable, quality, profitable housing. We highly recommend you read the book and understand the EOS model, which is the entrepreneurial operating system, as instead of being a self-employed person, it helps you understand how to work on your business instead of being in your business. So the other concepts that it brings up is focusing on things on a quarterly and monthly basis and developing a 3-year and a 10-year plan so you can truly have a long-term vision and you can grow into your business. I'll leave a link down in the description so you can go straight to the book if you want to see it and read it and incorporate it in your business. To summarize everything we chatted about today, number 1, develop a business plan by choosing a specific property type. Number 2, determine what location you want to operate in. Number 3, limit your liability by creating an LLC, an S Corp, or a C Corp. If you found this video useful and want to learn more about property management, real estate investing, or wealth creation, we'd love if you'd subscribe to the channel as we'll continue pushing out more content to help you succeed. See you next time, guys.